Weight loss isn't hard. Starting again every Monday is, because you don't need more motivation. You just need to stop falling off and then having to start again. And I'm about to give you 3 things that have helped my clients do exactly that. The all or nothing mindset is a killer destroyer of goals, and it's the number one thing that's probably keeping you stuck. You miss one bad meal, it turns into 2, it turns into a week. You miss one workout, you miss the second one, the third one, the fourth one, the fifth one. Until you get to the point you realize you've fallen off track, I've got to start again. So here's 3 things that helps my clients to overcome the all or nothing mindset. The first one is you've got to schedule your workouts or your meal planning in exactly like you would a work meeting, a doctor's appointment, and then you need to protect that time with all your life, because there are certain things that you do even when you don't want to. This needs to be one of them. The second thing, you always need to have a backup meal ready to go just in case the crap hits the fan. That can be a frozen meal in the freezer you can heat up. That can be something you can just quickly grab and make, like a yogurt bowl, or it could be a good takeaway option. And the third thing, you need to have minimum standards in place that no matter what happens on the day, you can still do them because they don't take a lot of time or effort. For example, if your day turns to crap, can you still drink water? Yes, you can. Can you do some quick squats or sit-ups or a plank before you go to bed? Yes, you can. Can you use one of those meals I talked about in the last step? Yes, you can. No matter how your day pans out, there's always things that you can do. And I promise, if you follow and if you also use those 3 steps that I gave you, then you're going to find that the all or nothing mentality will start to slip away and you'll start to get and keep your results. If you need any help, let me know in the comments. Make sure you follow. See ya.